Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
It's none other than the viral sensation. Ednovate Professor Dhaval Purohit is with us. Professor, I laughed so hard looking at that reel. एक क्वार्टर में 30 ml नहीं होता डूबे.
तो आप सबसे पहले ये समझिए एक क्वार्टर में कितना होता है. हेचविक बोल बेटा, एक क्वार्टर में कितना होता है? 30 ml लिखता है वो. अरे वो क्वार्टर नहीं. So I don't know if actually the people from Bangalore or anywhere else also, a lot of people could have related to that word dobe. Dobe is basically a Gujarati word. And out of my all expression ke boss, मैं तेरे से क्या expect कर रहा हूँ? And here something is coming out and I like, what nonsense. So dobe basically means mad. Were you aware of this?
I wasn't. Honestly, I've had a discussion with my friends and we were thinking क्या उसका नाम डूबे है या डोबे का मतलब क्या है? So that's a Gujarati term. I've already gotten to do so much from you, Professor. That's amazing. But tell us a little bit about Professor Dhaval Purohit.
So I am a very qualified chartered accountant. It's been since last 10 years I've qualified, and I have since the day I have qualified, I'm into teaching profession. It's been last 10 years. I would have taught around 60,000 students, roughly 5,000 students in Bangalore itself. I would have taught more than 5,000 students, and we are running in this institute called Ednovate. This is our own foundation where we teach all the CA students, where across India students can join in through this Zoom live session. And we have our physical centers in Mumbai.
Talk to me about how life has changed after that gaffe.
So I'll tell you, means it has changed both the ways. Certainly, means कितने सारे friends थे जिन्होंने शायद कभी भी याद नहीं किया. And means I started realizing, okay, even they remember me now. Trust me, it's been last 4 days. First 4 days when it went viral, I have replied 962 messages.
My God.
962 messages. That would have not been my annual reply to the somebody.
You know, when I kept watching that clip again and again, and I couldn't believe the amount of frustration a teacher will have when a response like that comes in. It's not easy for a teacher in today's world as well. You have to adapt, and everything has gone virtual. In a day-to-day, it's the toughest profession that's out there, but you still enjoy teaching.
See, I'll tell you, honestly speaking, then that have always been in my mind. The first thing when I entered into the teaching profession, we've seen our teachers, just, dumping upon the concepts. They were really good to give that concept, but at times we were in that position that, okay, we were patient enough to listen to our teachers. And at times, whatever he's saying, maybe even if he's not making sense, we were like, no, sir, we will accept it. But today's generation is not that. Trust me. Today's generation is not that. Today's generation will keep you on your toes. So to teach at today's generation, you need to mix match all this. So at the same point of time, you got to have that energy. At the same point of time, you got to back up with the concepts. And you got to continuously keep them entertaining, because nowadays 8 hours lectures on the Zoom, there is mom coming from behind, ale beta, this, eat that. You have to actually shout at the parents, bhai padne bhi to do usko.
There is, education has changed. A lot of things have moved to the virtual front. At the same time, the competitiveness and how students can actually cope up with everything that's happening. What would you like to say?
The one thing which I do not like about our education system, or maybe that's how it is, that till school, till colleges, we were always made copy the solution from the board. So teacher will read the question, teacher will get the answer, and all you got to do is solve. And now moment you get out of the school, college, moment you come into the professional, the one thing which you don't have is solution in hand. So you don't have anything to copy, you have to express. So I think one change, if probably somewhere we can make it, is I think today students should start, applying their brains. You can't always keep copying, because that doesn't work in the real world. Moment you get out of the system, moment you get out of this education system and step into the real world, you only have problems. You don't have solutions. You have to get solutions on your own.
Absolutely. And, a teacher can make a student fall in love with the subject. One good teacher can really make so much of a difference. One teacher like a Jitu Bhaiya or you who
Thank you
speaks the
so
language
much.
of the
Thank you.
students will really, really make a student like the subject, learn so much more in life as well. So kudos, Professor. And do you think students have a nickname for you? क्या आपको पता है कि what the students call you?
See, all I know is they call me the Costing Guru. And now the Costing Guru does not stands with THE, but it's with my name, The Wall. Instead of that, they will call it The Wall. And I've got, now my surname is Purohit, right? So I have been getting it, The Wall, Purohit Che. That means his full hit types.
You certainly are a hit on the internet. Here's wishing you the very best, Professor. And before you go,
Thank you so much.
can you say that line one more time?
आप सबसे पहले ये समझिए कि एक क्वार्टर में कितना होता है. हेतविक बोल बेटा, एक क्वार्टर में ए वो 30 ml लिख रहा है, 30 ml नहीं होता है वो डोबे. I could just